In this section, we'll guide you on how to use artificial intelligence to create projects tailored to your needs. To start, give your project a name and description. The name should be around 8 characters, and the description should have a minimum length of 24 characters. If you're unsure how to define your project, we'll provide examples to help you along the way. For example, let's say you're a project developer implementing solar power installations for corporate campuses. In this example, you can see how a well-crafted description helps the AI understand exactly what you're aiming for. The more detail you provide, the better the AI can tailor the project to your needs. If you navigate to the advanced settings, you can specify the minimum and maximum number of tasks the AI should generate. In this case, let's choose a range of 18 to 24 tasks. You can also add checklists to each main task. For example, you might create checklists for 15 tasks and set a range of items per checklist. For instance, between 5 and 7 items. Choose between 2 project styles for your project. The flexible Kanban style for a visual workflow where tasks progress through sections, or the structured list view for projects focused on lists and milestones. Click Create Project. To get started with AI, a dancing robot will appear, and the AI will begin generating your project. Depending on the complexity, results will appear within a few minutes, allowing you to adjust budgets and tasks as needed. That's it. For more details, please refer to our knowledge base or reach out to our customer support team for further assistance.